Hello, welcome to a new 3DSlICER tutorial. In this one, we are going through chest CT, segmenting lungs and airways. For doing so, I use one of the sample data on 3DSlICER, or you can use any other imaging that you have. Then I go to Segment Editor. For segmenting airways and lungs, you need 3 segments, one for airways, one for the lungs, and one segment for defining the surrounding area around the lungs. I try to choose sharp colors and rename the segments. So, the first step is to draw on the lungs and airway areas and try to define the boundaries of these segments. Repeat it on all the 2D views to make your work more precise. You just need to draw around the lungs by using the paint tool. And I repeat it on multiple slices in different views. Okay, now we need to draw on the airways. The best view for looking at the airways are sagittal view, and start on the upper slices, the trachea, and I'll draw on multiple slices in the airways as much as you can based on the resolution of your imaging. I keep going until based on the details that I want from my segmentation. It's completely up to you how far you want to segment the airways, because segmentation of very small airways is kind of challenging and it might be a little hard, especially in this specific CT scan. But as you can see, I do it as much as the airways are obvious on the imaging. And again, I repeat it on all the 2D views to define the boundaries of the airways. The logic behind this method is that we are putting seeds on the area that we want to segment in 3D, and then use a tool called Grow from Seeds to create the whole segment in 3D view. Okay, the next step is to draw the surroundings of lungs with the segment 3 using the paint tool. Again, try to draw a loop around lungs and repeat it on all the views. Okay, now you can see the seeds that we just painted, defining the airways, lungs, and the surroundings area. The next stage is to use a tool called Grow from Seeds. The system uses these seeds to create a whole 3D structure of the part or the organ that we want to segment. And the work is almost done. This part, you press initialize and wait until the segmentation is done. Now, the system shows you a preview of the segmented parts. In this step, you need to do a little editing because there must be some leakage or some mistakes in the process that you can simply correct them with the paint tool. Just choose the segment that is under-segmented and draw a line next to it. The system automatically corrects it and try to edit as much as it's needed. I go through all the slices in the different views, trying to find these leakages and correct them with this paint tool. Remember, you don't need to paint on all the mistaken parts. You just need to draw a line or actually grab a line from the adjacent segment to the to the part that has been under segmented, and it will be corrected automatically. Check the airways more carefully because these little parts are susceptible to mistake by the system. So as you can see, around the small airways, there is a good chance that there has been some leakage that you can simply correct them. And I keep going, I keep checking all these slices and correcting these little mistakes. So far, you can see that the airways and lungs have been segmented very, very successfully, in fact. Just there are a little bit of mistake. Then go back to grow from seeds and now press apply. You can see the final result. I I reduce this smoothing effect to have a more real structure uh, near to the exact structure. So, and that's it. This is the lungs and the airways that we have segmented. If you want to visualize these segments more precisely and trying to look at the airways while the lungs uh, are shown, go to this segmentation part and change the value of 3D, so the structure will be transparent and you can see the airways. And one small step left, I used the islands tool to eliminate these extra voxels that had been left around my segments. You just need to press apply. Do this for both array and the long segments. It's simple. You just need to press apply and don't change any setting. Okay, and this is our final structure. The larger airways and both lungs are segmented in 3D. Okay, if you have any questions or any doubts about this process, just ask me on the comments. And please tell me which other structures do you want to learn how to segment by using 3DSlICER. Goodbye.